So I'm going to restore 8 sets of Mr2 Kouki taillights using Cerakote products. I'm going to paint the black trim around the lights and then clear. So obviously the first step is to get them completely cleaned. Then you got to mask them. It's pretty easy to mask because the lights are separated by grooves. So you just put tape right over the grooves and run your fingernail alongside of it, inside. And then you take your X-Acto knife and just cut right along there, really carefully. But it's pretty easy. So next you got to shoot the black. I'm using Glacier Black. I didn't want to go anything that was too dark, like a pitch black. Then you got to wait 2 or 3 days for it to cure before you're ready to clear. So a part of cleaning the lights is wet sanding with 2000, just to get any crud off of there. And the material needs to bite on something, so they can't be polished, otherwise the material is not going to stick. I started with 2000 wet sanding, and then I did 2500, and then all the way up to 3000. Material is pretty thin, so you don't want any deep scratches because they will show. So I would go all the way up as high as 3000 before you actually shoot any material. Alright, I'm going to restore these. This is the before shot. I like the clear. So this is the after shot. This was my favorite set to restore. I mean, you just don't see clear taillights. Pretty rare part. I think they'll look sick on a white car. But came out good. It's not too glossy, like using automotive paint. Overall, I like the Cerakote product, and hopefully they last. This is why you don't want to use automotive paint. It's too thick. You get buildup in the lines and the grooves. Cerakote is much thinner. So this is the product that I use. You can find them online at Cerakote.com. If you've never restored a set of taillights before, I recommend practicing on a set you don't like. I definitely wouldn't mess up a good set of Koukis. Or you could have me do it. Just email me at Nostalgic.wheels@gmail.com.